Hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. Just wanted to show you the results of the dehydrating that I did the other day. Been busy with Christmas, sorry about that you guys. But got it in jars, and this is great for gift giving, or this is the mirepoix that we made, and it's just celery, carrots, and onions. And if you're making a soup, you can do this ahead of time, and you can use your canned chicken, canned broth, grab some egg noodles, and you've got yourself chicken noodle soup in a jar. Automatic, just add some seasoning. And a whole pantry meal right there. This is all of the broccoli that we did. I think you can see that. All of the broccoli. Look at how brightly colored it is. That's about a pound of broccoli in that jar. And then here are leftover onions. Now, these, you know those onions that you guys, probably a lot of you do, green bean casserole, you buy those French's fried onions in the little cardboard jar? Well, you can dehydrate your own. They're not fried, they're just dehydrated. They're really good for you. And then break them apart and put them on top of your green bean casserole. Really great way to use that. We also use it to top funeral potatoes. You can also put this in a food processor, just a little bit, blend it down, and you'll have minced onion. Blends down really, really easily. And this is one of the reasons that I dried them in rings like this that I did. One, it looks really pretty in the jars if you're giving it away. And two, it minces really, really easily. So just a quick video on some of the stuff that that I finished, and I'm probably not going to get that video out about dehydrating because I've been writing down things. I might do a live with it. It's going to be a lot of information though, maybe on 2 different videos, but it's going to be on what I like to dehydrate, what I don't, and how to use what you dehydrate. So I'll see you guys soon. Have a happy Christmas Eve, and watch for the video tomorrow.